Alright, welcome back to the channel, folks. On today's vlog, we'll talk about how Super73 somewhat, sort of restored my faith with them. Thank you, Super73. We got a frame update on our RX. They finally said that they have an RX back in stock. It's now June of 2021, and I can pick it up to have a replacement for our RX with our frame issue that we had. If you're just catching on today's episode, my welding came backwards. It arrived out of the box, and it wasn't really. I wasn't really having it. It's just an aesthetic issue. But I told him I'm not buying Nikes to have the swoosh on backwards, because their logo is on backwards on this bike, and it was since November since I originally first contacted them, and then now it's already June, so it took about 7 months. But I'm really happy with the Super73, as long as I'm not having motor issues, and I was okay with that. Okay, we got one rider behind. I am in a group ride, by the way. We're just passing by El Monte now. Hope everything's all right. Alright, what's going on, guys? You guys good?
Yeah, we're just letting him catch up.
Yeah, okay, thanks, yeah. I'm waiting for him too. Well, those are the fast guys with the Surrons and the Onyx here. There's a total 11 of us on this group ride, by the way. The Emerald Necklace Loop. So here we go. Let's go get back on track. So they tried. You good, Kevin? A little bit of a pit stop. So they tried off giving me $150 credit on this bike. If you guys check this out. So yeah, go ahead. Sorry. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, here we go. So they it's $150 credit for not for accessories, not cash, but $150 credit to get another Super73 bike. And at first I thought about it. I'm like, I do like the company, blah blah blah. But then I realized, I'm like, wait a minute, I already get $100 off, and it's not like I'm getting another bike from Super73. I don't need another bike. I have enough bikes, So I was persistent with them and got to talk with the manager. But now they're finally honoring it. But nonetheless, they even gave me an order number. They're saying that have me track where when the bike might arrive at their headquarters. So now that it's there, it's now available. I'm trying to find a time where I can go and get this sorted out. And I asked them, so how is it going to be? I made some mods on my bike, right? And then after the mods, are their technicians going to be swapping everything but the frame? And then the customer service responded with, actually, we're just going to give you a new bike. So whatever mods I may have done, I have to now undo them, right? To get a completely new RX. And I've done the 10-speed kind of my sprocket gear change, So that's gonna take like maybe an hour to take off. My cane built headlight. So here and there, I made some changes, but again, I'm not complaining because thank you again, Super73. They're giving me a brand new bike. So this is probably one of my most likely last rides with this RX, with this ET. So it's kind of my little send-off before I get a fresh RX, new battery, miles and stuff. I already have 1,000 on this one, so I'm happy. 990. I have 990. So I'm excited, to get a new RX because they even have my wirings kind of messed up here. So trying to get that also hopefully sorted in the new bike. But yeah, guys, Super73. Thank you again. I appreciate all the work that you guys done. I get that there was pandemic, shortage of product supplies, and the list goes on of the delays. But knowing that at least they got your back, as long as the bike is running right, they do still help you out. So I'm grateful for that. Maybe I'll be filming when I pick up the new one. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. That is my frame update for the Super73 RX that we own. And kindly like and subscribe for more content. And if you're interested in $100 off in your Super73, check out my useful links in the description below. I also have discounts on an arielrider e-bike or maybe your BBS HD build. So check those out in the description below. Folks, this is Julian signing out. Stay safe and amazing out there, guys. See you in the next ride. Peace.